Head, knees, shoulders, toes. Toes pa lang. Toes pa lang. Head. Cut! Sino yung mga nanalo? Sino may mga cup? Okay, yung mga may cup forward, pili na lang kayo ng partner. Pili ng partner. Ayun, kayong dalawa. Okay, last 4 pairs. Ready, ready. Kamusta yung training nyo sa pagnanakaw? Ang galing mga snatch to. Ready, ready. Okay, ready. Head. Head. Knees. Toes. Head. Shoulders. Knees. Toes. Shoulders. Cup. Last 4. Last 4. Ang tatag mo, ate. Ang tatag. Last girl standing. Okay, tigi isang baso na lang. Ayan, sige, go. Ano yan? Para hindi mahirap. Mabakas na lang. Ready, ready. Toes. 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 Okay, head. Shoulders. Head. Shoulders. Head. Shoulders. Head. Shoulders. Knees. Toes. Shoulders. Knees. Cup. yung mukha ng mga nakakakuha. Ano, patalo. Okay, last 2. Last pair. Last pair, last pair. Ready? Nakabahan ako. Ganun kaya ka kumuha, kaya ka natanggal agad eh. Ready? Shoulders. Toes. Shoulders. Head. Knees. Shoulders. Head. Toes. Head. Shoulders. Toes. Knees. Head. Cup.